This is not your typical keratin or smoothing treatment. Today I'm showing you the Peter Coppola Express Treatment step by step. So let's get into it. You always want to start on clarified hair. I did wash my hair twice with the Peter Coppola clarifying shampoo. You want to make sure that your hair is towel dried but still damp. You want to start by sectioning your hair into 4 sections, 2 at the top and 2 in the back. And you want to be gentle with your hair and use your fingers. Don't use a comb for this. You want to use your fingers. It doesn't have to be parted perfectly, but you want to make sure that you are getting even sections. So now we start with the application of the Peter Coppola Express Smoothing Treatment. I am mainly focusing on my roots because that is where I'm experiencing frizz. I don't like to go over parts that I have already treated, and because the ends of your hair are more fragile and typically they experience more heat, and so they stay straighter longer. The newer hair, it's fresher hair, it's brand new, it just arrived, right? So it needs a little bit more love. It's a lot frizzier. And so that's where I'm focusing the product. I am just spraying it a couple times, making sure that it's saturated, but not soap. You don't want it dripping, okay? You just want to make sure that it is well saturated. And I'm still doing about my 1 to 2 inch sections and just mainly focusing on those ends, rubbing them through really quickly. And you always start in the back sections of your hair because that is where it's typically the most coarser. So I'm just going through and doing the exact same thing, and you want to work pretty fast while you're doing this because it starts to process as you apply it. And then I start on the front sections and I do the exact same thing. And you can see the front of my hair is a little bit looser, which is very, very common because the front of your hair gets manipulated the most. You probably go through and use a flat iron a little bit more frequently on the front sections of your hair. If you wear your hair in a ponytail, it's being stretched more. The top of your hair is also exposed to the elements more, like the sun. Next, you want to go and get a comb. I'm using a cutting comb. You don't want it to be too fine of a tooth, but you want to go through and comb the product through. So I'm just mainly focusing on the root part, and then I go through the ends with a wide tooth comb just to make sure that it's all even and there's no knots and tangles. Now, the more that you manipulate your hair while you have this product in, the smoother your hair will be, and you will loosen your curl pattern. However, I am not looking for curl reduction. I am looking for frizz reduction. So I am just going through one time with the combing. If you are looking for curl reduction to loosen your curl pattern a little bit, then the entire 20 minutes of processing, you want to be using that fine tooth comb and going over your hair as many times as you can, and that will help to ensure curl reduction and maximum smoothness. But for me, I just did it one time because I am just looking for frizz reduction, and I let it sit for 20 minutes. So you want to rinse the product completely out of your hair with lukewarm water, okay? And you want to do this for about 5 to 10 minutes, making sure that you are getting all of that out of your hair. There is no shampooing required, but you can use conditioner. I use the Weightless Smoothing Mask by Peter Coppola, and I let that sit for about 3 minutes while I was in the shower. Next, I'm going in with the Best Blow Dry Ever spray by Peter Coppola, and I'm just saturating that through the mid shaft to the ends of my hair all the way around and smoothing it out. And then I seal it all in with the Keratin Smoothing Serum. And now it's time to blow dry. So I first detangle my hair with the unbrush, and I go vertical first because that detangles, and then horizontal smoothens. Then I go in with my blow dryer. This is the H2 Pro 3600 hybrid blow dryer. I absolutely love it. I have a coupon code for y'all if you are interested in it. It's my favorite. So after I pre-dry my hair, I go in with the comb attachment to get it nice and smooth. This step is very, very important, not just for a silk press, but for doing this smoothing treatment. You want to make sure that your hair gets 100% dry. This product is heat activated, and it starts to get activated with this first source of heat being the blow dryer. So you want to make sure that your hair is completely nice and dry. So this Express Treatment is basically a temporary smoothing treatment. It's designed to reduce frizz, cut down on drying time, improve manageability, and the results typically last around 6 to 8 shampoos. So every time that you wash your hair, the product gets out of your hair. So if your goal was curl reduction, your curls will revert with every single wash. It's a great option for people who want to kind of like test drive smoother hair without a long-term commitment. And I absolutely love it. I do this to my hair every single summer, and it gets me through the summer months without having to worry about frizz. Okay, ladies, like I can go outside and not have to worry about frizz. It is so humid here in Georgia. It's like raining every other day. So this product may be for you if you have natural hair and you struggle with humidity, you wear your silk press, but you want a longer lasting results, or even if you're transitioning, right? If you are transitioning from a relaxer and you're dealing with 2 textures, this helps you transition beautifully without having that line of demarcation, which makes your hair so much easier to braid. And if you're tired of spending hours of blow drying and flat ironing your hair, this may be for you, sis. So now I'm starting to flat iron my hair. I am using my H2 Pro, okay? I love these flat irons. I use the 1/10 of an inch, the little baby flat irons at the root. I do about 2 passes, and then I go through with the 1-inch iron. These are ceramic flat irons. I absolutely love them. And I will make sure that I have every single tool and product that I have linked for you, as well as coupon codes, okay? Because we like savings. And I am chasing my ends while I'm doing this because I want to make sure that every single strand is getting that product in. So with a typical smoothing treatment, many people go over it several times, but I am just making sure that I go and do my normal couple passes at the root and then 1 pass down the ends. Now this treatment is activated by heat, so the flat iron is doing the work of getting the product in there and sealing it into your hair. I'm now starting to curl my hair. I am using the T3 curling iron, my favorite ceramic curling iron ever. This is the 1 1/4 inch of an iron, and I'm doing like a loose wave. So I'm curling away from the face and I'm leaving about 1 inch of the ends out and just pulling the iron out of the hair, kind of like unraveling it, if you can kind of see what I'm doing. Just sliding the iron out of the hair. This creates beautiful, loose tousle waves. Now I'm going in with the Flexus by Amika hairspray. I didn't spray it before. I just wanted to lock it in after I curled my hair. This is my first time trying the Peter Coppola Express Treatment. I have had their regular smoothing treatment, but I've also done a different type of Express Treatment by Amika. They pretty much all work the same by using amino acids and proteins to fill the gaps in your hair, and this essentially allows you to have frizz-free, easier to manage hair. So here we are all curled. I am using an anti-static rake comb to comb out my curls, and it looks so good. You guys, my hair feels so smooth. Like you could just tell I am not gonna have any frizz. Like when you have this treatment, you know, it feels so good. Your hair literally feels like silk where you applied the product. It's like, I don't even understand the science behind it, but if you know, you know. I'm going in with the Amika Top Gloss just for some added shine. Now I use a little bit of hairspray on the back of a fine tooth comb to tame any flyaways and to lay down my edges. I do not use edge control. I just don't like it. I don't like anything greasy. I just like my hair to look flowy, bouncy, and beautiful. Okay, we want our hair to be blowing in the wind and not being stiff. So ladies, meet me in the comments and let me know if you will be trying this smoothing treatment. Okay, I have a special 10% coupon code for you guys if you're interested and you want to try it. Okay, the biggest thing that I've noticed with my hair with these treatments is my hair doesn't get straighter. It's just easier to get straighter. So you use less heat, and I just absolutely love it. So if you're a straight natural sister like me, you love your silk presses, you battle frizz, and you want easier styling and blow drying, or maybe you're just curious about smoothing treatments but not ready to take that leap of a full keratin or smoothing treatment with a long-term commitment, this may be for you, sis, okay? This just gives you a little extra insurance against humidity and frizz and allow you to use less heat while styling your hair. If you've made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Your support means the world to me. If you like this type of content, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and hyping me, sis. Okay, I'm your internet hair bestie, and I will see you on the next one.